Hi guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to factory reset the Nokia 5800 XpressMusic, the favorite one, and just a few steps that you need to take. Hit on the menu button right in the middle here, and that will take you to this page where you can see settings, or however you want to get to the settings. Just go into the settings and go to phone. You can double tap on it and scroll down. It will take you to you can find the phone management. On some Nokia 5800 you may see it at the top, but on this phone it's just right at the bottom here, phone management. You can double click on it basically, and there you go. You can see factory settings. Just hit on factory settings and it will ask you restore all original phone settings. Phone will restart, and then you can hit on yes. That will restart the phone. So I'm just going to proceed to do that right now, and it's asking for the code. I can't remember what the code is exactly on this one, but let's try 1 2 3 4. Alright, code error. I'm gonna try something else. 0000. Try this out. Code error. Now I'm not sure what it is exactly. 1111. Can't remember exactly what I used. Should be something like this. Alright guys, I just can't remember what the unlock code is exactly. It's been a long time I used this phone, over 4 or 5 years now, and but I believe you all got the gist there on how to factory reset it. Once you know what your lock code is, just insert it and it's gonna the phone is gonna restart itself. Now at this point this phone is locked, and it's giving me error. Lock code entered incorrectly 5 times. Code will unblock in 5 minutes, so I need to try it again in 5 minutes. So that's just about it on how to factory reset this particular type of phone. Thank you for watching, and you have a great day. Bye now.